Hey guys! Today I'm gonna make a Lego tiny little Lego trash bin, which is just the size of something. I think it's not the size of a mouse, but let's go. Start with this. Okay, left this, and we need to put the yellow thing right over here. Okay, like this is 1, 2, 3, 2 of these. Yeah, like this. Yeah, like that. And then we need to put another right over here. Like this. And then we need the blue block here. So just have here. Do 1, 2. And then we're gonna put this. We need 3 heights. Okay, so we need the same this, but the middle is the white. Everything's white. Even this was white. Then place another down here, and also place another right on top of this. Okay, and then here, and then another blue here, blue on the things here. Yeah, and then also. If you get this, and also this, you can make it. And then put this again here. Put this on top of it. So hard. And then put here, and just put here, and then done. 4. That's 4. Okay. So this is 4. So I think well, yeah, 4. Place right here, and that's done. A little wicked big trash bin. You can open it, and then you can even put stuff like masks or tissues. You can also make a tissue box. And then that's all about this mini Wiki Bricks Wiki Trash Bin. Bye.